In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Google Drive storage plan. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar. At the bottom of that sidebar, you'll see your current storage usage. Under the storage indicator, click Get More Storage. This will redirect you to the Google One page, which is where Google manages storage subscriptions and upgrades. On the Google One page, you'll see several storage plan options available. For example, you may see options like 100 gigabytes or 200 gigabytes for additional storage. If you want to explore more choices, click the See All Plans link at the bottom of the page. When viewing all plans, you'll also have the option to choose between a monthly or annual billing cycle. The annual option usually offers a discount and can save you money compared to paying month to month. Next, choose your preferred storage limit depending on your needs. The basic plan provides 100 gigabytes and is a good option if you just need extra space for photos, videos, or documents. The standard plan offers 200 gigabytes and may include additional perks such as cashback on Google Store purchases. The premium plan provides 2 terabytes of storage and can include extra features like enhanced AI tools. After choosing the storage plan you want, select either monthly or annual billing depending on how you want to pay for the subscription. Once you've selected your plan and billing cycle, click Get Discount or Upgrade on the plan you want to purchase. Next, review your payment method. If you already have a payment method saved to your Google account, it will appear here. If not, click Add Credit or Debit Card and enter your payment details. For this tutorial, I won't continue the purchase process because this is just a demonstration. However, to complete the upgrade on your end, you would click Subscribe to confirm the purchase. After subscribing, return to your Google Drive. Look again at the bottom left corner of the Drive interface where your storage usage is displayed. Your new storage limit should appear there. In some cases, it may take up to 24 hours for the updated storage limit to fully reflect in your account. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.